Vishnu Chakravarti often repeats some of the same points, and he says in his commentary on 48, he says Krishna was enjoying equally with all the gopis. And Radharani, Vrishabhanu Nandini, who is a leading gopi, she saw all that. Krishna's enjoying with me, and he's enjoying with all these other gopis in the same way. And Radharani started feeling haughty. She started feeling like angry, and her eyes got red. I thought I was his favorite. Now he's favoring everybody equally. I feel neglected. She's not showing extra honor to me. So then, her eyes are angry. So Vishwanath is saying there's two types of gopis responding here, because he says that Radharani's getting angry eyes, but then the lesser ranking gopis, that's what he uses, lesser ranking gopis, the gopis that weren't so intimate with Krishna, they became intoxicated with pride over their good fortune of being there with Krishna. Objecting to this, Krishna rectified the situation and suddenly and mysteriously disappeared. So the verse has the word man. Man, it says, I have to turn all the time. It says manam, viksha manam. Viksha means eyes of pride. So some gopis that they were so excited, we're so proud that we're here with Krishna. The Krishna played the flute and he called us. Usually Krishna only calls Radharani and the Astasakis, but we're the sadhana siddha gopis, and we're the rishicharis and the municharis, and Krishna called us, and now we're at the rasa dance in our Sakhi Swarup. We're really proud. And so they were proud, they had manam, they were proud of themselves, but the word manam means pride and also means anger. And they kind of go together. So Viksha, because the translation is Krishna is seeing their pride, right? Viksha is seeing their pride. But actually Vishwanath says Krishna is seeing the angry eyes of Radharani. That her Vikshavanam doesn't mean seeing the pride of the lesser ranking gopis. Vikshana means Krishna saw the angry eyes of Radharani. He thought, oh. Because he's looking around, all the gopis are looking at, hi Krishna, they're all, and then Radharani's, and so he's looking, and everyone's looking real happy, he's looking at Radharani. He's saying, everyone's very proud and very happy, and she's not proud, she's angry. So then what does he do? He sees there, so there's actually inner meaning all of this, which will be explained. So it's very interesting how one word can apply to Radharani, it means one thing, and applies to all the other gopis, it means another thing. Because manam, Sanskrit words have many meanings related also. So it says the one gopis are proud and the other gopis angry. So then it goes on, he says, so then Krishna disappeared to nullify that pride in the junior gopis, and then he took Radharani so he could show her special favor to remove her angry eyes, remove the anger from her eyes. So that's the question. People say, well, why did Krishna only leave with Radharani? Because when he got all the gopis together, he saw that there were different minds. Thousands of gopis were very proud, but one gopi was very angry. So he said, well, this is my main gopi. Radharani is my most important, dearest lover. She means, one Radharani means more to me than thousands of other lover gopis. So then he disappeared, and took a long time before all the gopis realized that Krishna left all of them, but he also took one of them with him, and it wasn't them, it was her, some other gopi. And they went to search for Krishna.